How to change your Google account password. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you have to head over to Gmail app. Make sure you are logged in into your account that you want to change the password of. Once you're in this page, move into the profile icon at the top right corner. Once you're inside your account, click on Manage your Google account. It will land you on the home page of your Google account. Now swipe all the way to the left, and then you simply need to head over to Security. Inside Security, you can see the option of Password inside how you sign into. Click on it. Now enter the password of this account. Once entered, you have to click on Next. It will land you on the space where you will be able to change the password of your Google account. Simply enter the new password. Once you have entered, for the confirmation, you have to re-enter the password and then click on Change Password. If both of the passwords are correct, then the password of your Google account will be changed and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.